You think you're saving money by doing it yourself, but you're actually losing a fortune in opportunity cost. Let's talk about your effective hourly rate, your EHR, as I describe in my book, Work Less, Make More. If your business makes $1 million a year and you work 2,000 hours a year, your time is worth $500 an hour, as long as that $1 million was profit. Every time you spend an hour checking emails or fixing a website plugin or editing a video, you're effectively paying $500 to get that job done. Would you pay a stranger $500 to check your junk mail? Of course not. But you pay yourself that every day. Actually, it's worse. Because when you're doing $50 an hour work, you're not doing $5,000 an hour work. Strategy, partnerships, high-level sales, content, the things only the owner can do. I call this the operator's trap. You feel productive because you're busy, but you're busy doing low-value tasks. And the fastest way to grow your income is not to work harder. It is to refuse to do work that is below your pay grade. If you can hire someone to do it for $50 and your time is worth $500, you are losing $450 every hour you do it yourself. Buy back your time. Start with your inbox, then your calendar, and then your delivery. Empty your plate so you can fill it with your high leverage moves that actually move the needle. If you're ready to calculate your true hourly rate and restructure your role to match it, join us in Mentor program at jamesschramko.com.